Meet the Swainson's hawk. This handsome, athletic fellow loves wide open spaces where he can hunt rodents, romance his mate, and socialize with his neighbors. But his cropland habitat is changing, and he's having a hard time adjusting. See, each spring, he and his mate come home to the same nest site, but more and more often, they return from migration to find it gone. Instead, they find orchards or a subdivision which, to the Swainson's hawk, might as well be the same thing. There are no fields for foraging, no hedgerows for hunting, or tree groves for nesting. In fact, the acreage he roamed can't support him now. If the number of acres alone means little to this bird, why does it mean so much on paper for a conservation project? It's time to bring the species we're trying to help into the conversation about conservation. That's why EDF is working with scientists, regulators, farmers, and industries to develop the Habitat Quantification Tool. It gives wildlife a seat at the table. Along with counting acres, the HQT scores land by habitat quality. Together, these measurements create a unit called functional acres. Using unique scoring curves customized for different species and regions, it weights site and landscape scale features that a particular species needs or avoids. Functional acres become the common language for regulators, industries, developers, landowners, and yes, the Swainson's hawk to base their plans on. The HQT uses the best available science so that regulators can more precisely measure environmental impacts and generate real outcomes. Industries and public agencies can know their dollars are being used in the most effective way. With all stakeholders speaking the same language, conservation projects can move much more quickly, and the transparent scoring process means lower chances of litigation. The result of using the HQT? Certainty, accountability, confidence. It creates a rare occurrence where everyone wins, especially the species we all want to thrive.